Someday I want to copy someone's status word for word and see if they notice. Some people just really need to keep to themselves.
It's only 10 and I'm so tired.
Knock knock.
Can't sleep. Awesome night!
So, good music suggestions. Go. Woodland's boredom.
I found my phone.
Okay, that was really bizarre.
Don't even think of talking to me, because for once,
I'm not gonna be there.
I knew that band and listened to them way before anyone else even knew them.
That awkward moment when you read 400 awkward moment statuses and none of them are actually funny. I'd love to get to know you.
Treat her like she's someone else's future wife.
I need to find me a Cali girl. Like Wayne says, I wish they all could be California girls. Don't know what to eat for breakfast.
God, I absolutely hate being sick.
Thanks everyone for the birthday wishes. I'm so glad I'm home to celebrate. Alright, which one of you bozos took my phone?
What is this new timeline thing?
All in all, a really stressful day.
Do right. Even all is going wrong. I have come to the conclusion that I am in dire need of an English Cocker Spaniel. My mind was just blown by how freaking adorable they are.
I'm extra bored right now.
The people in this world are not good. Everyone is saying that Facebook has changed. Mine isn't different. I feel left out.
In the end, we just regret the chances we didn't take. Why be happy when it's just another day?
Who wants to hang out today?
I don't care what anyone else says. Catherine Zeta-Jones is a powerhouse in Chicago. What is this thing you call a good night's sleep?
To be honest,
I need something to do today.
good night. American Horror Story!
It was a great night with an old friend.
5 hours of sleep tonight, yes! Okay, mistress is the word for woman, but what do you call a man mistress?
Sometimes I just have to remember to breathe.
Good night. Amazing how much of a facade people put up sometimes.
Calling me a midget isn't cute. I'm like, oh my god.
What is it with your profile? What is this timeline thing?
I really want somebody to go see The Lion King in 3D with me. Sometimes it lasts in love. Sometimes it hurts instead.
I may not ever seem really serious about anything at all, but when it comes down to it, I will put my life on the line for every single one of my friends and family in a heartbeat. Know that.
I will never eat again. Extremely disappointed with myself. Nothing to do, lol. She said, "That's my little brother." I said, "Bitch, you better not have no little brother."